Google is the most powerful search engine in the world, but most people don't use it to its full potential. Today, I'm going to show you 4 tricks to search Google more effectively. With these tricks, you'll be able to get more relevant results, save time, and you will be able to make Google searching more fun. Hi, my name is Salvador Carlucci. I've been doing competitive intelligence for the last 20 years, and Google is still my favorite platform to do web research. Today I want to show you a case study on how you can leverage Google search. Let's assume that your mom is not feeling well and she has rheumatoid arthritis. Her doctor prescribed her 2 medicines. One is adalimumab and the other one is methotrexate. Probably the first thing that you're going to do is to Google search these 2 drugs and see if it makes sense. So when you look at the results, you see that there are 762,000 results. So the first operator that I want to show you is the site operator. The site operator allows you to search a specific website. So if you're living in the US, you want to see what the FDA has said about this drug. You can see that from 700,000 results, now that narrowed down to about 1,000 results. So that's a big improvement. Another search technique is to then narrow it down even more, because still 1,200 is quite a big number. So now I want to search on what the FDA has said in the last 12 months. So I can come here to the tools section, I can click on it, and I can search by time. I want to look at the past year. So again, if we scroll down, we see that from 1,200 results, we only have 2 pages worth of results. Another operator that I find extremely useful is the file type operator. And here I can specify which file type I'm looking for. So if I put in PDF, then all the results will be sites that have a link to a PDF document. So again, if we're doing a specific type of searches, when you're looking for a PowerPoint presentation or PDF, then this is another way to search the web. Another Google search operator that is one of my favorite ones is the wildcard asterisk search operator. So for example, if I were to look at particular websites in a specific country, then I can put the asterisk for any type of website, and then I can just put theexation.co.uk. I click enter, and again all the search results would include that ending, and the wildcard tells the Google that any name that goes here is relevant to me. Below I posted links to the other search operators that I think would be good for you to look at, as some of them might be more relevant to the work that you're doing. And if you liked today's video, please subscribe to my channel, where I'll be sharing you more tips and tricks on how to do competitive intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, then check out the next one here, and thank you.